Western Massachusetts ski resorts were busy today after Thursday's storm. 22 News reporter Mike Mascardrelli was in Franklin County where he got an up-close look at ideal ski conditions.
These are great times for skiers.
Western Massachusetts was hit with the biggest snowstorm of the season Thursday. Skiers and riders didn't mind one bit.
I will take snow 6 months out of the year. I love snow. This is like the perfect day ever.
Some Franklin County towns got hit with over a foot of snow with Thursday's snowstorm, including here in Charlemont. Many skiers and riders came out to Berkshire East Friday to enjoy the packed powder conditions on the slopes.
I saw the snow and I said, I haven't been out in a couple of years and it's something I really wanted to do. So when I woke up this morning, I decided not to go into work and hit the mountain.
When Mother Nature provides the snow, ski resorts can turn off their snow guns.
It's fantastic skiing on all the groom trails, and I mean the whole mountain's basically open. There's glades that we haven't skied in a couple years now because it was so bad last year. So yeah, skier's choice. It's real good.
Berkshire East Bill Farrell told 22 News, snow on the ground pulls people to the mountain.
The mentality of people is they have to see snow in their backyard in the Pioneer Valley, and once they see that, they become believers. And right now, we've got a lot of believers skiing here.
All right, that was Mike Mascardrelli reporting from the Franklin County Bureau. Now,